Hey, what is going on, guys? Dylan here with Solo Cuts Landscaping, and thank you for tuning in to another video here on the Solo Cuts Landscaping YouTube channel. I appreciate every single one of you guys that stopping by and share some time with me here on the channel. Now, today's video, as you can see, we are here actually at my house, and also we have the Ballard Catch Pro here on the right stander. So we're going to be putting this to use here at my house. We don't really have a boatload of leaves, but we do have some thick, tall grass that hasn't been cut because it's been super wet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a time lapse of me putting together the Catch Pro, and then I may just do some voiceover of some of my thoughts and opinions on setting it up, some quick tips, some things to look out for, and also what I think of the quality of it. And then we are going to actually put it to use in the same video. This is going to show you my thoughts and opinions on how to put together, and also it in use, and how I think it holds up when we are cutting this lawn. So guys, stick around, stay tuned, enjoy this video. Let's get right into it. Alrighty guys, so it is time to unbox this bad boy. As you guys know, we are in fall cleanup season, and what better product to try out than one of the Ballard innovative products, and that is going to be his Catcher Pro. I thought I would make an investment and we would try out some Ballard product. You know, he sells a lot of great product from what I see. This is one they stand by, this one they're pumping out right now, so I thought, hey, why not get it on here on the channel? Why not put it to use? That way you guys can see firsthand how well it works. Honestly, I really didn't have any intentions on using something like this because we used to run a bagger, but we have some things coming down the pipe here in a couple weeks actually that may shift how we do things in our business, especially when it comes to the fall cleanup time. I'm gonna be 100% honest, this is something I invested in to bring to you guys to try out and to see how well it works. For the little bit of money we're making on YouTube, that's what went towards this. So thank you guys. So that's a shout out to you guys. It gives me the opportunity to be able to buy some product like this and get it out. So guys, let's see how this thing comes packaged. Add it to the collection worth of stuff. What's nice about this is we can use this one unit and we can put it on the Hustler, we can put it on the right, because we bought separate mounting brackets for each. So that is what is nice about this is, you know, we can use both pieces of equipment whenever we need to, and we can throw it on there. So let's get this thing going, and let's see. So let's get this going. I'm going to I don't know, we can probably keep the camera rolling here. I'll probably just do a time lapse of putting it together. You guys, enjoy this time lapse. right, well, the weather is super nasty. I mean, we have snow coming down. Take a look. Let's see if you can. Look at this. We have some snow coming in. All right, so thoughts and opinions here on the Ballard Catch Pro. As you can see, we have it on our 36. We also have the brackets in order for the Hustler Super Z. We have some things coming down the pipe. I think today is the 1st, so here in about 9-10 days, we have something super cool going on the truck that is going to help a lot with people just staring at me. Get on out of here. But anyways, we have something super cool coming down the pike, so if you are new to the channel, whatever, be sure to stick around because we have something going in on the truck right there that is going to be, I would say, a game changer for the business. It's going to help fix a lot of bottlenecks. Nonetheless, Catch Pro. So we don't bag leaves, just to give a little premise. We do not bag leaves. Now, where I think it's going to shine is after we run through and mulch and kind of put everything into a pile. This Catch Pro is going to be what's nice for when we can go back over and get all those mulched leaves that we have done, get those picked up, because I will say it does fill up quite quick. And here, I think I emptied it out 2 or 3 times on the front yard. Now I will say this, we are cutting probably 4.5 to 5 inch tall grass, and we're working our way down to that 3-inch mark. So everything that we've been cutting, though, property-wise, has been cut at 2 3/4 inches. So we shouldn't be cutting much grass when we do our fall cleanups. I will say, even with the big leaves, it still does them fine, but it does fill up a lot quicker. So I think after we mulch through everything, this is where it's really going to shine. It's really going to help just clean everything up there at the end and really leave that property looking good. That's where I think it's going to shine. Now, so something that I'm not sure of, if this is how it sits on the other ones or whatever, but as you can see right here, it kind of sags off a little bit. So like instead of it being flush, it kind of sags. I don't know if it's because of the amount of weight on it, but I didn't really notice that affecting the like quality of like what it's doing. But it does sag a little bit. So my only concern is with it sagging just a little bit is dropping this back corner up against the turf. If it drags at all, I don't really know. But other than that, I mean, it's pretty solid. It's not super dry out, so there wasn't a bunch like dust and everything come up there. They do sell a cover for this that I might do just to be safe. When it comes to the latch system here, make sure you do slide your pin back in, because I was like, oh, well, maybe I'll try not putting the pin in, just that's one less step I have to do every time I unload it. But because of the force of air coming out, then it blows off, essentially, this door. So just make sure you put the pin in each time. When it was full of debris, I didn't really think it was too heavy. Nothing unbearable. We're gonna be definitely putting this to use throughout the fall cleanup season. So guys, if you wanna see more video content with this, be sure to hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell so that way you get a notification when I drop a video, because we will be doing more product, more review on this as we continue to use it. And as you guys know, there's promo codes out there. Pick your person, use whatever, to save 10% on Ballard product. So guys, thank you very much for tuning this video. Like I said, if you are new to the channel, be sure to smash that subscribe button and hit that bell so that you get a notification every time I drop a video. Guys, drop a comment down below. Do you use a product like this? Do you guys use some comparable brands? I'm not really sure what the other brands are out there, to be quite honest. But let me know in the comments below if you guys have used this, what you think of it, or what other products you guys use to bag your leaves. So guys, thank you very much. As always, remember, do what you love what you do, but never stop. Guys, we will see you in the next one.